Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to send money on Revolut using a Rev tag. First, open the Revolut app. At the bottom, tap Payments. Then tap the search bar at the top. Now, type at followed by the person's Rev tag. For example, at Hank. If they're in your contacts, they'll appear at the top. If not, you'll still see the ref tag, just tap on it. Once their profile opens, tap Send. Enter the amount you want to send, tap Continue, then Confirm. And that's it! Your money will be sent instantly using the ref tag. And that's how to send money on Revolut using a Rev tag. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.